Standard deduction. Standard deduction under section 16 subsection 1. Standard deduction, it is up to rupees 50,000 we have to do. Sometime what happened? You are the employee and you are paying certain amount for employment purpose. Sometime you are purchasing the books, purchase or spend expenses for employment purpose. For such expenses you are paying for the purpose of employment. Therefore, you will get standard deduction and it is up to 50,000. Then second deduction that we are going to give, yes, please switch off your mic. Second deduction we have to give, that is entertainment allowance under section 16 subsection 2. How we will calculate entertainment allowance deduction? Entertainment allowance deduction, whenever the non-government employee is there, it is not applicable. Government employee, we will give the entertainment allowances deduction, and it is the how we will compute that we have to see that is rupees 5,000 or one fifth of the basic salary or actual amount received, whichever is less. So these are rule is there for government employee for entertainment allowance under section 16 subsection 2. Second deduction is there, that is profession tax under section 16 subsection 3, and this profession tax amount we have to keep always rupees 2,500, rupees 2,500 per annum. These things you have to keep in mind. So we have to give three deductions: standard deduction under section 16 subsection 1 up to 50,000. Second deduction, entertainment allowance, non-government employee, no deduction. Government employee, deduction is applicable, and for that purpose we have to apply the rules. Rules are rupees 5,000 or one fifth of the basic salary or actual amount received, whichever is less. Third deduction, professional tax under section 16 subsection 3 of rupees 2,500 per annum. So I hope you understood. These are the rules, and that deductions we are deducted from the gross salary, and from gross salary deduction we have to give remaining amount will come, it is the net taxable salaries. Okay, fine. So we understand this how we will compute the income, taxable income from salaries. Now friends, we have to study the certain problems, and we have to understand how we will calculate the problems. Now friends, can you see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these are particular question that we are going to learn. Mr. Chandramani is working as a technical director in Mumbai Doordarshan Kendra, Worli. He provides you the following information for the year ended 31st March 2020. A. Basic salary per month 7,800. Dearness allowance per month rupees 7,000 per month. Ex gratia rupees 8840. Entertainment allowance of rupees 1,000 per month from 1 for 2015. Amount actually spent rupees 7,000. Perquisite value of car rupees 9,000 in respect of personal use. Propation tax was deducted at source from salary rupees. Propation tax we have to change now here. We have to write 2,500 because always we have to give deduction 2,500. On the basis of the above information, you are required to compute his taxable income from salaries. Now, how we will solve this sum? One thing you have to keep in mind whenever we have to solve the sum, we should know about the assessee's name, who is the assessee, and where he is working. Now, in our problem, Mr. Chandramani is a assessee, is working in the Mumbai Doordarshan Kendra, Worli. Then, assessment year 2020-21, previous year 2020-20, 2019-20. This particular previous year, whatever income earned, such income will be taxable. Now, compute the taxable income from salaries. Now, how we will compute that we are going to learn. Now, friends, basic salary per month 7,800 they are provided. This basic salary we have to put as a taxable. So under the head income from salary, we will write basic salaries 7,800 into per month they are provided 7,800 to 12 months. Previous year's 12 months salary we have to find out. So use your calculator and brain and find out the value of total basic salary of the previous year. Find out, use your calculator, use your brain, find out the value, how much you got. Vaibhav got 93,600. Right. So we will write here 93,600. It is a basic salary. Then after that, next item they are provided dearness allowance per month 7,000. So the dearness allowance it is always taxable. The taxable value we have to put here because we have to compute the taxable income from salary. So dearness allowance also taxable. It is 7,000 per month into 12. How much will come? Use your calculator. Vaibhav got 84,000. 84,000. After recording dearness allowance, next income they are provided ex gratia. It is a one of the income which is received by the employee who is doing special activities or special work. He is doing the hard work, right, compared to other employees. Therefore, employer provide extra money or employer provide one special attention to this particular employee. Therefore, it is called as a ex gratia 8,840 that we have to write in our taxable values ex gratia 8,840. It is not a per month. So it is not a per month, therefore not considered as a per month. It is directly we have to put Okay, then after that, next item is entertainment allowance of rupees 1000 per month from 1/4/2015. The entertainment allowance 1000 per month. It is received by the employee during the previous year. So entertainment allowance we have to show here. It is 1000 per month multiplied by 12. 12 months entertainment allowances. It is 12,000. Now friends, they are provided the information that he has spent actual amount spent rupees 7,000. Now actual amount spent rupees 7,000 we have to ignore because we will give the deduction. So no need to write the actual amount of spent from this particular taxable values. Then perquisites value of car of rupees 9,000 in respect of the personal use. The last lectures we have discussed the perquisites, and this perquisite value of car is taxable. Perquisite value of car for personal use. It is taxable and amount is 9,000. Amount is 9,000. So 9,000 we recorded. After recording this, then next, is there any income? Because directly they are provided proportion tax of is 2,500. There is no any other kind of income. So what we have to do? We have to find out this total. The total will be 2,07,440. This total is called as a gross salary. This total is called as a gross salary. Now, from this gross salary, we have to give the deductions. Less deductions under section 16. We have to give the first deduction, that is standard deduction. Standard deduction under section 16, subsection 1. Standard deduction, it is always 50,000. It is always 50,000. Then second deduction, entertainment allowance under section 16, subsection 2. Now friends, assessee Mr. Chandramani, he is a assessee, is a government employee. Is a government employee. Whenever any person is a government employee, then deduction is applicable. Deduction is applicable. How we will calculate? A rupees 5,000. A rupees 5,000. Then or or B 1/5 of basic salary, that is, now basic salary is 93,600. 93,600 into 1 upon 5 is equal to how much? Just use your calculator and find out the 1/5 of the basic salary. Yes, can you find out 1/5 of the basic salary? Use your calculator. 93,600 into 1 upon 5. That is how much you got? 18,720. 18,720. Now, or again, or is there? Yes, Vijay also got same. Good. Then after that, C number, 1/5 of the basic salary. Then actual amount received. Actual amount received. How much amount received as a internal allowances? So they are provided. Amount received is 12,000. The actual amount received rupees 12,000. See friends, three figures we got here: rupees 5,000, or rupees 18,720, or rupees 12,000. Whichever is less. Whichever is less. To see that which one is a less value. So whichever is less, 5,000 or 18,720 or 12,000. So whichever is less is 5,000. So 5,000 will be the internal allowances deduction. Then third deduction, that is professional tax under section 16, section 3. Professional tax, we already are informed that we have to write directly 2,500. Even in our problem, they are provided the value of the professional tax, that is rupees 2,500. Even they are not provided 2,500, then also we have to write 2,500. The professional tax 2,500. Okay, so here we got three deductions. The total we have to find out. Three deductions total. It is 57,500. This particular 57,500 is considered as a deduction value. Is considered as a deduction value. Okay, fine. After that, from this gross salary, we will deduct 57,500. The rest of the value, how much will come? Yes, Vijay got 1,49,940. Yes, so it is considered as a net taxable income. It is considered as a net taxable income from salaries. See, friends, we got these answers by applying certain rules. These are way of writing our answers. First of all, we should know about the assessee, assessee's name. Then we should know about his job status, whether he's a government employee or non-government employee. Then after that, we have to write the incomes which are taxable. Those incomes which are taxable, they are comes under gross salary. Then after that, we have to give three deductions: standard deduction, internal allowance, and professional tax. So I hope you understood this particular problem. Do you have any doubt? Yes. Is there any doubt? You can ask the question. If you don't have doubt, then we will move further. The second problem. Now, problem number second that we are going to learn right now. Mrs. Asha is the export manager of Wipro Limited since 1st January 2007. She provides you the information for the previous year ended 31st March 2020. A. Salary at the rate rupees 38,000 per month. B. Ex gratia rupees 37,000. C. House rent allowance rupees 22,000, exempt rupees 7,000. Interview allowance at the rate rupees 2,000 per month. Areas of salary of rupees 28,000. Company deducted proportion tax from salary rupees 2,400. She was on leave for 1 month and went to Kashmir on 31st March 2020. She took the salary of April in advance. Compute the taxable income under the head salaries of Mrs. Asha for the assessment year 2020-21. So this particular problem is there that we are going to learn. So Asha, the name of the assessee, Mrs. Asha, assessment year 2020-21, previous year 2019-20, legal status individual, computation of taxable income from salary. This is a particular head income from salary. First income we have to write as a basic salary. It says that she receives 38,000 per month. 38,000 per month as a salary. So we have to write here 38,000 into 12. 12 months salary. Use your calculator and find out the value of basic salary. Who can give the answers? 38,000 into 12. How much will come? 38,000 into 12. Is there any answer? Yes, Vijay and Pallavi got the answers. That is 4,56,000. Okay, fine. Is the right answer. 4,56,000. After this, next income received by Mrs. Asha, that is ex gratia rupees 38, 37,000. Ex gratia always taxable that we have discussed in our previous problem. Ex gratia value is 37,000. Whatever they are provided, it is not a per month value. It is directly, they are not mentioning here per month. No need to multiply 12. You have to understand where they are mentioned per month. If they mention per month, then you have to write. Otherwise, no need to write per month 12 months. No need to multiply 12 months. Then they says that house rent allowance 22,000 and exempt rupees 7,000. The house rent allowance, it is always taxable. House rent allowance. House rent allowance. It is they are providing 22,000, exempt value is also provided 7,000. So we have to write here 22,000 unless exempt. Exempt is non-taxable value. Less exempt under section 10 subsection 13a. It is they are provided. If you see that they are provided to be 7,000, so we have to deduct the exempt value, that is 7,000. If you deduct the exempt value, rest of the value will be taxable. 22,000 minus 7,000, rest of the value 15,000 taxable. Then after that, after reporting this house rent allowance, after recording the house rent allowance, next item is entry allowance at the rate rupees 2,000 per month. So Mrs. Asha received entertainment allowance 2,000 per month. So we will write here entertainment allowance 1,000 multiplied by 12 per month they are provided. So it is how much? Yes, Vijay, 24,000 is right. So 24,000. After recording this 24,000, next item in our problem, they are providing areas of salary. Last 2 3 months areas, maybe last 2 years areas received this year. The areas of salary always taxable. So we have to write here areas of salary. And areas of salaries value is 28,000. So we have to put as a taxable. After recording areas of salary, next item is there. They are providing provision tax. We have to always put as a 2,500. That we have to do the deduction. Then there says that one sentence. She was on leave for 1 month. Now she was on leave. Leave means that she take the leave and she went to Kashmir on 31st March and she took the salary of April in advance. It means what? Up our previous year up to the 31st March 2020. Then after this particular previous year is over, then next previous year will start. That is 2020-21. In that 2020-21, she took April month's advance salary. Now April month's advance salary, it means per month salary, we know that per month salary is 38,000. So advance salary of April month is 38,000. Advance salary April 2020, it is 38,000 and this amount is taxable because you know that areas of salary and advance salary are always taxable. Then after recording this, there is no any kind of information. So we have to find out the total gross salary, total amount of gross salary. Use your calculator and find out gross salary. Yes, it is 5,98,000. After recording gross salary, we have to give deduction under section 16. First deduction, standard, standard deduction. We know that under section 16, under section 16, subsection 1, it is always 50,000. It is up to 50,000, but we have to assume that we have this particular standard deduction. Then second deduction, entertainment allowance under section 16, subsection 2. Yes, Mr. Can you find out the internal allowance deduction? How much will we have to give? Yes, anyone can guess how much will be the internal allowance deduction? Yes, can you guess the amount of internal allowance deduction? Yes, any idea? Who will give the answer? How much amount of internal allowances deduction? Yes, can you guess? Yes, how much will be the value of internal allowance deduction? Yes, Abhishek Patil got 5,000. Any other answers? Any other answer about internal allowances? Abhishek got the 5,000. Yes, any other expert opinion, scholar people's answers? Yes, who will give other answers? Now, friends, one thing you have to keep in mind, entertainment allowance deduction applicable only government employees. It is not applicable to non-government employees. Therefore, in this particular problem, Mrs. Asha, she is working in Wipro company. Where she is working? Wipro Limited. Wipro Limited is a non-government organization. Now, she is working in the non-government organization. Therefore, entertainment allowance deduction is not applicable. We have to put here nil. If you see that in our previous problem, we we wrote there. I also wrote. I also write this word. SSC is a government employee. That's why we have given these deductions. But in this particular problem, she is a non-government employee. This deduction is not applicable. So total total of this deduction 52,500, and gross salary minus deduction 5,98,000 minus 52,500, rest of the value 5,45,500. So I hope you understood. We have discussed about the two sums. One sum related to the government employee, another sum related to the non-government employee. Is there any doubt? Is Do you have any doubt? Now what I will do right now, I will give the 10 minutes break to you. Then we will join again. Okay, fine. Okay, so come. Uh, we will. You take the rest right now, 10 minutes, and come again.